Good morning and welcome back to Before the Noise with TJ. And today's question of the day: what Bible verse do you go to when you're feeling down? Comment below. Today, guys, jumping into Psalms chapter 32. Blessed is the one whose transgressions are forgiven, whose sins are covered. Blessed is the one whose sin the Lord does not count against them, and in whose spirit is no deceit. You gotta look at that rating right there and understand that we're covered. And no matter how bad your past has been, no matter how weak you are, God is there. God is strong. We gotta reconcile any issues that we've had in our past and understand that He can fix everything once you give everything to Him. Confess your sins. Know that He has already forgiven you, and He's looking for you to come back to Him. Have an amazing day, and we'll see you tomorrow.